To hide a file in Windows 11, just open File Explorer and navigate to the file that you want to hide. Right-click on the file and click Properties. When the window opens, you'll see Attributes at the bottom. Check the box next to Hidden and then click Apply. You'll see the file disappear as it's now hidden. If you want to view hidden files, you can. Just click on View near the top. Hover over Show and then click Hidden Items. You'll see the file show up again, but with a faded icon indicating that it's hidden. If you want to unhide it, just right-click on the file, click Properties, and then uncheck the box next to Hidden. When you click OK, the file will no longer be hidden. You can also hide entire folders. Similar to files, just right-click on the folder, click Properties, and at the bottom, check the box next to Hidden. When you click Apply, it'll give you the option to just make this top folder hidden, or you can also make every subfolder and file within this folder hidden as well. Click OK, and the folder will be hidden. If you click on View, hover over Show, and uncheck Hidden Items, the folder will disappear. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.